Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a battery replacement for the Casio watch. Let's get started. To tackle this task, make sure you have these 4 essential tools handy. A case back opener, tweezers, a friction ball watch case opener, and a spring bar tool. Pull out the crown. To begin, adjust the case back opener tool to match the diameter of the watch back plate. Then, gently rotate it counterclockwise to release the back plate slightly. Next, use your fingers to fully unscrew the back plate. Remove the back plate with the tweezers. Carefully remove the white plastic ring from the watch. You can gently use either a mini flathead screwdriver or tweezers to pull it out. Using the tweezers, delicately remove the old battery from the watch. Be sure to handle it with care to avoid damaging the internal mechanism. Insert the replacement battery into the same spot where the old one was located. Use your fingers to firmly press it into place, ensuring it aligns properly on the gasket just like the previous battery. This step ensures the new battery is correctly positioned. Use your fingers to insert the plastic white ring back into the watch. Before closing the case, ensure the watch is functioning correctly. This step verifies the success of the battery replacement. Testing the watch beforehand allows you to detect and resolve any possible issues or errors. Use the friction ball watch case opener to screw the back plate clockwise into place. Twist with the case back opener tool in a clockwise direction until it is sealed tightly.